So the first thing you need is a very simple flower pot. So this is a clay flower pot, and all what I've done is I have cut in a 5-inch rectangular hole with my drill bits. Then next what I've done is I have made 3 small holes inside. Alright, and I have inserted some screws inside here, okay, which I can adjust it, as you can see. So over these screws, what you have to place is this wire mesh, which I have made using this pliers. I have cut another one. I'll come to this later. Alright, so I've just cut a smaller rectangular wire mesh, and I've just used a plier to just kind of mold it so that it fits inside this flower pot and it rests upon the screws. Alright, so this is where you will be placing your coals. Alright, so the coals would rest over here, and you light up the coals by putting inside some kind of wood or anything inflammable. Alright, which just catches fire temporarily, and it should just burn enough to just light up the coals which is placed on this wire mesh. Okay, and then the next thing you need is this wire mesh, which you place it on top, and you can place your lamb chops or your chicken or whatever you want to barbecue right on top of this. In case if you want to make kebabs, what I use is these metal skewers. So these metal skewers are just I got these metal skewers with the OTG, and you can place it on top like this. You can also use these things to make tikka or anything like that. In case if you don't have these, you can use wooden skewers which you would just get in the market. Another option what I have is, instead of using this wire mesh, I use this bread loaf rack, which I just place inside, and this handle kinds of gives me the ability to just kind of move it, or if I just want to take care of the flame for some time, so I can do that without burning my hands. So you can use your creativity and kind of take this design and maybe make this pot a little bit bigger, or maybe use a clay pot which is rectangular, so that you can add more things on it. On this pot right now you can probably add just one, maybe a medium size full chicken, or maybe 2 breasts, or maybe 2 legs, and a few lamb chops. But I have made this pot with the idea of being able to have total portability. So it's very portable, it's very lightweight, it's just made of clay and nothing else.